was, I think, with the kind of, how streamlined it is, in terms of how you kind of took the course from, from the basics to how, to the advanced, I would say, in terms of things like, writing mails, how to kind of interact with team members. I think, certain things that we kind of, we don't pay too much attention to. I think you kind of cleared quite a few of our queries, and mainly for our, the technical, guys where, they don't do much of mailing per se. So, it kind of, I can see a difference, when I see their mails, the tone of the mail or the tone of the message.
I think my greatest achievement will be to fulfill some of my ambitions, and I want to fulfill them as my career progresses. I'm able to fulfill some of my mother's ambitions too. So yeah, that I'm happy about it.
Okay.
And, yeah.
Communication is the most important element of our personal and professional workspace. So let's keep that on point. And so thank you so much everyone for giving us the time, and hoping to see you all soon.
Really learned something which I did not have much experience in, like that how we will write email to our colleagues. We have been writing to our seniors, but writing an email to someone at our level, so that is something, because we are working in a startup. So the culture is generally that we just give a message that, hey, we want to do this and we want to do this. Are you there or not? But writing a professional email was something that I learned. Then there were different aspects which I learned, like product management was one of them. I learned how the project kicks off and all that.
That's great.
So really, it was a great session. Really enjoyed it.
It was great. Very informative. I learned quite a few things.
Yeah, I believe your team was also quite pro with a lot of activities, and you were on the spot for a lot of things.